Welcome to the Bollywood Talk Show on IWM Buzz once again. Thank you so much for joining me out here. You have had quite a lovely time, before this, and right now you're coming up with Mumbai as well. So I saw the trailer. First of all, sir, this is a really, high intense, high octane, action crime drama. You're playing the role of a cop. I think the name of the cop is Bhaskar Shetty, and whatever we are seeing over there, I mean, these are stuff that has actually happened in Mumbai. So first of all, tell me that, because you have obviously been connected with Mumbai for a long time, when you started working on it, did you actually get chills ki, ha, whatever I'm doing, this is something that Mumbai has already seen, or in reality? Did you get any sort of chills before, like starting?
देखिए yes, it is based out of real life incidences. It's happened in real life, and these are the kind of stories which have been waiting to be told. और हमने काफी सारे gangster dramas देखे, लेकिन cop dramas हमने इतने नहीं देखे. ये cop drama है where you following the journey of this one encounter specialist, which his name in the show is Bhaskar Shetty. How he belongs to the Konkan belt, the region, and then how he comes to Mumbai. He comes from very humble beginnings, and then कैसे वो एक उड़ीपी में काम करके पैसे थोड़े जोड़ के पढ़ाई करता है, कैसे उसके सपने हैं कि वो एक दिन पुलिस फोर्स ज्वाइन करेगा, सदक्षिणा है कल निग्रहण है, दीज अच्छा लोग का सुरक्षा और क्रिमिनल का खात्मा. दिस इज व्हाट he believes in, and he believes in the fact that that he is born to clean up the mess that the underworld is making a havoc of Mumbai as a city, and he wants to do it because he set his heart and soul on the city, and he really believes that if there is one way of going up the ladder is by making a name for yourself quick and fast. And he's a person who starts being very vulnerable, very emotional, very childlike, very immature also at times, but you see his growth, and you see his growth into being a man, and how he becomes a man of purpose, and what it means to how his behavior changes when money and power come into play, and the dynamics change, how his seniors get insecure of his position, and how quickly he rises up to the top. And then the entire journey changes into the fact that there are characters that come in, whether it is in the form of his wife as Vaishnavi, or his father figure like Rama Shetty, or Shirodkar as the Patrakar, or for that man Ranjana as the bar dancer who wants to be a heroine. So I feel that बहुत सारे इसमें बहुत अच्छे dynamics हैं, and characterization भास्कर शेट्टी की बहुत ही अच्छी की है अपूर्वा लाखिया ने, and I've always wanted to work with him. जिस तरीके से संजय लीला बंसाली अपनी heroines को showcase करते हैं, वैसे ही अपू लाखिया अपने heroes को. So I feel that Apu is a man's man, and he keeps that whole alpha male thing going with his characters. And like, I've been a big fan of Mr. Bachchan, Sanju sir. Like, I've loved their body of work, and both Mr. Bachchan was amazing. And well, he's amazing in everything he does, but in Ek Ajnabi, his look and his dynamics, were very good as the bodyguard. And even in Shootout at Lokhandwala, Mr. Bachchan is there cross questioning Sanju sir. Sanju sir is playing A. Khan.
Sunil Shetty sir, everyone, yeah, correct.
These are the dynamics I like, and I always wanted to be part of something like this. And it's an action drama, but then action will only look good if the drama works. So there's a great scope of performance in the 12 episodes that you're going to see in very shortly. We are 5:23 at 6 p.m. We'll go live. The episodes are going to drop on all Balaji and Z5.
Correct. Looking forward to that, sir. And as you said that encounter specialist is something, when Mumbai was actually filled with I would say gangsters. That was the only way out that a lot of senior cops felt. Now, talking about encounter specialists, so we have really had some amazing encounter specialists. Like there's Pradeep Sharma sir. There's I think Mr. Daya Nayak. There are a lot of people who have actually been there and led. There was Mr. Vijay Salaskar as well. Unfortunately, we lost him during the 26/11 attacks. But these were the spearheads when it comes to leading the encounter specialist attack. So did
Correct.
you get to see any kind of their videos, or any kind of their old records? Maybe some newspaper articles or something, just to get the character sketch right, because whatever they said, or whatever their body language or everything. Did you try all those things?
See, I'll tell you how I work as an artist. Like, the thing is that I always like watching other actors and other people writing stuff, and looking at their body of work. But when it comes to my body of work, I don't like to take inspiration from characters, because क्या होता है, कहीं ना कहीं वो ना फिर whether you like it or not, subconscious में वो character आपका बैठ जाता है और वो थोड़ी बहुत नकल लगने लग जाती है, जो मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता. I feel that as an artist, आपकी originality कहाँ है? You know, yes, you can be close to that character, but that you can't be वो mimicry नहीं कर सकते आप. So I feel that originality is very important. And I played some real life characters. I played Bikramjeet Singh. You know, सूरमा में दो भाइयों की कहानी थी, संदीप सिंह की जर्नी थी. गुंजन सक्सेना, I played अंशुमन सक्सेना. You know, and he's a man who was part of the army. And like, you know, the thing is, but I still did not I did not want to talk like them or behave like them beyond a point, because क्या होता है फिर वो ऐसा लगता है कि आप किसी और की कॉपी कर रहे हो. So I feel that you know, it is good to slowly seep into the DNA of the character, but also you have to bring something from your side. Like for me, it is very important that मैं कहीं ना कहीं वो character को humanize करूँ. हमें ना कहानी बहुत अच्छी लगती है, सुनना बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि 83 encounters करे, और you know कोंकण region से आया, you know he was quiet, फिर he was came from humble beginnings, और कैसा था underdog, और कैसे उसने scale किया, और कैसे लोग उससे insecure हुए, उसके senior उससे insecure हुए, और ये सुनने में बहुत अच्छा लगता है. लेकिन हमें जब हम देखते हैं ना, तो हमें पता है एज ऑडियंस क्या अच्छा लगता है, जर्नी. तो वो जर्नी को कैसे रखोगे आप, यू नो. ये तो एक हिस्सा हो गया 83 एनकाउंटर्स, ये तो एक हिस्सा हो गया एक्शन, ये तो एक हिस्सा हो गया कि यू नो ही केम फ्रॉम हर. लेकिन उसकी जर्नी, उसका रोज का व्यवहार, उसका बात करने का तरीका, उसका सोचने का नजरिया. सो आई फील दैट ये सब चीजें, इसको इनकलकेट करना बहुत जरूरी होता है, you know. So when it comes to a character like even Bhaskar Shetty, I feel that for me the challenge was the accent. To, you know, I had never been in a look like that. Like, you know, we start off from his younger days where he's very athletic, his frame is very fit, and then we move where we show him slightly bigger in build, we show him we slightly move ahead when he gets enamored by the power and the you know, the money coming in, and how it changes him. Then we started to show him slightly on the heavier side, you know. We've shown his body posture change, we've shown him how he handles the gun. अभी हमने बहुत सारी फिल्में देखी जहाँ पुलिस वाले बहुत as actors भी अच्छे लगते हैं यूनिफॉर्म में, the walk and the high speed shots and all that is great, but I've never seen like how do you flip the gun, वो नहीं कोई दिखाता. अगर आप, for me my point is, अगर आप वो, if you're playing that part, then show what that person ability is. Ability दिखानी बहुत जरूरी है. It's like when I played Arvind Vashisht in Inside Edge. It was very important for me to bat somewhere close to an international player in a match, to show those shots of a hook, of a pull, of a sweep, of a hitting over the cover, so that the audience believes in my ability. तो फिर मैं जो कुछ भी कर रहा हूँ, ऑडियंस मेरे साथ जुड़ी है. तो मेरे लिए वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है कि अभी जैसे भास्कर शेट्टी के लिए भी मैं जो कुछ भी कर रहा हूँ, इमेजिन थियोरेटिकली क्या कर रहा है, क्लीनिंग अप द सिटी, eradicating gangsters, you know, he's no nonsense cop, trigger happy cop, athletic, you know. ये सब अगर डायनामिक्स है तो फिर दिखाओ, आपको दिखाना पड़ेगा कि how good is he with the gun, how good is he at aiming, how good is he with his shooting, how good is he with his slang, how good is the attitude. So you know, you got to work towards that, in that direction, which we have tried to do and put our honest best to this character.
And I'm pretty sure, and I hope as well that works as well, because somewhere down the line, even as audience, you know, they look forward to originality. You know, what I would want to ask you next, sir, is the fact that you know, there have been, you know, crime dramas, there have been, you know, I'm not really sure how many cop dramas we have seen in Indian scenario, but crime dramas, as you mentioned, Shootout in Lokhandwala, there was Wadala, there were many others before as well, D-Day and everything. So which are your personal favorites that you have enjoyed over the years, watching probably again and again?
Shootout at Lokhandwala. Maqbool. Parinda. I don't know how many people have seen Parinda, but for me that was amazing. Maqbool, Parinda, Shootout at Lokhandwala. If you want to put Once Upon a Time in Mumbai for the drama of it, I like it. And then I really enjoy Denzel Washington in the West as an actor, like Equalizer 1, Equalizer 2. He's really smooth with his movements, action, and even his scenes. You know, he comes across as a confident guy who could be borderline cocky, you know. So I like those kind of zones. So I feel that I like somewhere, though, I like the zone of the West, but it should be you know, stylized to such a way and incorporated in such a way that it fits well as a commercial massy product for our country.
You're saying it should be Indianized in the most perfect way possible.
Yeah.
And I mean, I must talk about the dialogues as well. I think there's an interesting dialogue in the trailer where you are saying something like "Gandagi ko saaf karte karte main khud hi gandagi mein aa gaya." So I mean, these are really impactful dialogues that enables an audience to यार मतलब इतने अच्छे dialogue अगर trailer में है तो what can we expect in the movie? So I mean, or in the series, whatever it is coming. So what about the dialogues and how important do you think dialogues play a part in these kind of series?
Very important. Like if you like that dialogue, a lot of people are liking that vada pav, idli pav, dosa, masala dosa, rava.
Yes.
They're liking that zone.
And then when you say special, you say pani.
Yeah. So now point is, but that's an improvised scene. We did it in 2 takes. It's not cut at all, as you can see, just in one go. And it's God willing, there was God's hand that day on us. और वो हो गया. तो उसका और अक्षय has been very as a filmmaker. अक्षय चौबे जिन्होंने सीरीज डायरेक्ट करी है. Akshay Chaubey जिन्होंने हमारी series direct की is a very spontaneous filmmaker, and it's like kudos to him for thinking out of the box. And he said तुझे क्या करना है, I give you full freedom. Like literally, if I've expressed myself to the T in this show is because my filmmaker has entrusted in me so much of, like he just said, if go and flow with the character, do what you want, show me something. And I was so happy to work with Akshay because he has the ability to bring the best out of you each time, and he also thinks very well. So also, but see, when you collaborate with somebody as a creator like Apurva Lakhia, he's got great writers in Chintan Shah, Chintan Gandhi, and Raj Vasant. And just the fact that गंदगी को साफ करते करते मैं खुद गंदा हो जाएगा. It's like अगर आपको सफाई चाहिए, कीचड़ में उतरोगे तो छींटे तो लगेंगी ना आपके ऊपर. So it is as simple as, so when you have to clean up the mess, you have to get your hands dirty. So it's that, and it's not a character where there's all heroism and flamboyance and look and all. ऐसा नहीं है. It's a very real character. It's got a great emotional graph. ये थोड़ा पगला भी है. Emotional है, थोड़ा vulnerable है, थोड़ा पगला है, childlike है, immature है. तो वो सारे हमने dynamics रखे हैं.
Yeah. And I think together, when it comes off as a package, it only makes the layout even more interesting. Thank you so much, sir, for talking to me once again, and all the best to you. I hope you stay safe and sound as well. Take care, and thank you so much for joining me.
और देखो
शो see you after long.
आधे घंटे में आ रहा है, ड्रॉप हो रहा है, so watch it, review, and it'll be nice to see what you have to say. Okay.
Thank you so much. All the best, sir. Thank you. Take care. Bye.